I am Samir from SV Corporation. Today I am giving you a brief demo about our simple vibration meter. Its weight is less than your mobile phone. And the main features is it is a handheld unit for general purpose vibration. It uses Accelerometer type sensor with magnetic base. For our test, we connected this to a fan where we can change the speed and see the vibration in our device. Our device can show RMS velocity, peak-to-peak displacement, velocity, acceleration, displacement with peak-to-peak, peak hold, RMS, digital values. It is used a switch panel also, direct shortkeys and scroll button, the power button and the recording button. It has a very rugged surface, built for only the industrial purpose. Here you can see the memory card slot. Up to 16 GB we can add the memory card, and here is the USB slot to connect to the PC. And back side, if we remove these two screws, there are two batteries, AA batteries. Here is the sensor connecting port, BNC sensor, and one more is for other sensor. It can be a tacho or a temperature sensor, infrared, can connect. That is the brief overview about the instrument. About its hardware specifications, we are using a analog to digital converter. Means the signal comes in an analog form, and after entering inside we convert this to digital. For that we are using a high precision 24-bit A to D converter. Sensor type is IEP, and sampling frequency is 20 kilohertz, and maximum input we can give plus or minus 5 volts, and dynamic range is very high for this device because it is industrial purpose, 17 dB to 134 dB, and we can give input signal gains also. It has a SNR, that means signal to noise ratio more than 100 dB. Up to 10 kilohertz of the signal we can measure with this, and it can withstand from minus 10 degree to 55 degree temperature. And the sensor type is accelerometer. We can measure true RMS, peak to peak of velocity, displacement, acceleration. It comes with a magnetic base and the sensor, the cable, the device. So it's a complete system. Its weight is less than half kilo, few hundred grams. So I will show a brief demo now how to use the device. At present we don't have a motor to test, so I choose a table fan. So by changing the speed, I will show how our meter shows the vibration. The beginning, this is the power off button. First I will power off this. So to power on, I have to click this. So it is showing the company name, SV Corporation. By default, it is in acceleration mode, and RMS we are showing. Units are meter per second. So if user want to change the options, he can go he can go to menu F5. Here you can see to start the measurement, or go to settings, go to analyzing options, go to trigger options, change the time and date, general information, the software hardware information, then the calibration part. We can calibrate also. Then if we are connecting a tachometer or temperature sensor, about that. So after selecting all the options, we need to go for a start. So now there is no signal, so our device is showing 0 meters per second square RMS value. When I start the fan in a high speed mode, now the fan is rotating, so our device is showing the value of around 0.57, around 0.6, because the fan is vibrating, so the value is instantaneous value. It is around 0.55. Okay, now I will change the speed of the fan. I will reduce the speed. Now we will see how the device is showing the value now. Yeah, it is significantly reduced from 0.55 to it came to around 0.455. Yeah, it's a significant reduction. Now I will reduce the speed of the fan further low. Now we will see how the meter is showing. You can see the reduced value. Earlier it was 0.66, then 0.45, now it is 0.3 or 0.275, very low value. So this is how the meter works. And one more interesting thing is, if we go to F2, we see the velocity. If we go to F3, we can see the displacement value. Displacement. If we go to F4, we can change the units of the display parameter. Now you can see here a micrometer. If I change this to mils, in meters, in millimeters, so like this, for entire acceleration, velocity, displacement, we can change the units. So if we want to go back to menu, just press F5. So this is the brief for demo about the usage of the device. Now I will show the memory card, how to insert and remove it. I will switch off the fan, remove the sensor. This is the SD card. Now it is 4 GB. We can put a bigger card also. So all the data will be recorded here. Thousands of files we can record. And this is the sensor. Sensor cable. This is the sensor with the magnetic base. This is very lightweight CTC sensor. This is the magnetic base. So this is the device. Very lightweight, very easy to use. Just like in a pocket you can use this. It can be put on a table like this, very stable, no shaking, very hard plastic, and it is certified by KTL, Korean Test Laboratories. It is a class 1 device. Please get back to our sales team for more information. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.